question words full on, because in Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have necəsən, ne-cə-sən. Necəsən is one size fits all. It can mean how are you doing, or how's it going? Let's take a look at those more closer. First phrases, and then I'll show you some sentences. Phrases first. How are you? Necəsən. How are you doing today? Bugün necəsən. Simply you just add today, bugün. What's up? How's it going? All of these, you can just say necəsən, or you want to be more detailed. How's it going? Necə gedir işlər? Necəsən? Now, let's take a look at some sentences. First sentence. Bayaqdan sənin haqqında düşünürdüm və maraqlı gəldi ki, 9 yıl sonra həyatında nələr dəyişib, necəsən? A long sentence. We're gonna break it apart. Ready? I've been thinking about you for a while and was curious to know what has changed in your life after 9 years. How are you doing? Time to break it apart. Let's see. Bayaqdan, for a while, senin hakkında, about you, düşünürdüm. I've been thinking, I was thinking. Ve, we know this one, it's and. Maraqlı geldi ki means was curious to know. 9 yıl sonra, 9 is a number, 9, il is year, sonra, after, later, meaning, after 9 years, hayatında, in your life, neler. Neler, ne is what, neler is multiple things might change. So this is not singular, this is plural version of what. Yes, we have that. Değişip, changed. Necəsən? How are you doing? Now, let's say it again. Bayaqdan senin hakkında düşünürdüm. I've been thinking about you for a while. Ve maraqlı geldi ki, and was curious to know, 9 yıl sonra, after 9 years, hayatında neler değişip? What has changed in your life? Necəsən? How are you doing? Let's take a look at another sentence. Son zamanlar işlərinin çox gərgin olduğunu bilirəm. Ona görə də səmimi soruşmaq istəyirəm. Necəsən? Let's see. I know your work has been very intense lately, so I want to ask sincerely, how are you? Did you notice both of those are long sentences? Because recently I've been challenged in the comments to add more longer sentences. Challenge accepted. You're going to see some of those more. Now, let's break this apart. Son zamanlar, lately. If you want to go in deeper, zaman is time, late times, basically. İşlerinin, your work. This is again plural, ler. Çok gergin olduğunu bilirim. I know it's been very intense, basically, your work. Ona göre de, so that's why. Samimi soruşmak. Samimi is sincerely. Soruşmak istəyirəm. I want to ask. Remember, istəyirəm. You right? İstəyirəm. You say it in spoken language. Necəsən? How are you? That was nice and long sentences showing you how to use the word necəsən. Now, I have another one. I typed necəsən and my inbox thought I wanted small talk. Nowadays, AI does that. Now, that was our word. If you want to learn more in much more systematic way, I have an app for you called Master Azerbaijani. And I also have masterazerbaijani.com where I post blogs every 10 days to show you some cultural aspects of learning Azerbaijani. If you're interested, check those out. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.